Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, February 13. The Bustamante Hospital for Children's capacity to treat heart patients will soon see significant improvement. The change is expected within a few months when the catheterization lab is expected to be opened. The lab will provide diagnostic imaging of the heart chambers and the arteries and will be used for treating abnormalities found.
That will address or frankly improve capacity to deal with pediatric cardiac care from about 50 or so per year to about 250 per year. And that's a very positive thing.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton was speaking at the opening of Partners Interventional Center of Jamaica Limited. He said healthcare had improved at the facility, with pediatric surgeries now taking place through the establishment of the new cardiac unit. The catheterization lab will further boost the level of services offered.
And that facility is equipped with the most modern technology, and indeed will represent a Caribbean response, not just a Jamaican response, to the challenges that we face for cardiovascular care.
A Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, has been signed between the University of Technology Jamaica, UTech, and the Urban Development Corporation, UDC. The engagement will give staff and students of the Faculty of Architecture the opportunity to participate in projects being done by the UDC. The MOU was signed on Monday at UTech's Caribbean School of Architecture. Both entities will share information on architecture, urban design, urban planning, physical development, and other technical services.
These other technical services include, but are not limited to, staff and faculty exchange and student internships, collaborative research projects and technology initiatives, income-generating projects, research sharing, staff development and training, continuing professional development programs, and public education.
A joint collaboration committee will be established under the MOU to allow for greater coordination of projects and proposing activities.
We look forward to the IE and other schools of engineering coming on board with this MOU to help us to augment our talent because we want it to be homegrown and we want to grow the relevance and the application of your graduates.
1,000 young persons are to benefit from on-the-job training in Information Communication Technology ICT under the Technology Advancement Program TAP. The Universal Service Fund is implementing the program, which will train and employ 1,000 youngsters in the first instance. At their recent orientation, Technology Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley announced plans to expand the program's reach to accommodate 2,000 youngsters in future cycles. The first set of beneficiaries, young people between the ages of 18 and 35 years, will be helping to digitize government documents. At the end of their on-the-job training, the participants will be certified.
When you finish this program, you will be more than anything else self-empowered. You will be qualified. And also, you would have been in a position to earn.
The demonetization of the 1, 10, and 25-cent coins will take effect on February 15. This means the Bank of Jamaica BOJ will no longer be issuing new coins for circulation, and those in the system will eventually be phased out. The BOJ says there's no need for rush on banks to have the coins changed. The central bank says the change will only affect cash transactions, while electronic operations will continue as usual. According to the BOJ, transactions ending in 1 to 49 cents should be rounded down to the nearest dollar, so an item costing $40.49 should be rounded down to $40. Meanwhile, transactions ending with 50 to 99 cents should be rounded up to the nearest dollar. For example, an item that costs $40.50 should be rounded up to $41. And finally, a Clarendon family has been rescued from being homeless as local government minister Desmond McKenzie presented them on Friday with the key to their own home. The family is the first recipient under the Municipal Social Assistance Program's Indigent House Project, which will see 28 such houses being built for the less fortunate across the country. A previous allocation of $90 million will be complemented with $25 million in the next fiscal year.
The direction of the Ministry of Local Government and the direction of the government of the day is to ensure that we improve the bread basket for those who are destitute and less fortunate in the society.
Minister Mackenzie says by the end of 2019, 60 houses are to be handed over to the indigent. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.